Welcome back to my channel, guys, and as you see by clicking on this video, today we are making guac. I want to give a quick disclaimer that I am doing this in a hotel room, guys. When I'm working on the road, I have limited kitchens or kitchenettes, as you would call them, so please bear with me. And, let's just stay focused on our goal. Let's stay focused on what we came here to do, because we are going to absolutely get that done. So I'm just showing you guys here what we're going to need, and as usual, I'll talk through these things as well. And just thank you guys for stopping by. So I'm just going to start by going ahead and getting my onion chopped up here. Now you're going to use a red onion to make your guac. So I always chop up my onions the exact same way. It's like foolproof. I cut off the bottoms, as you just saw there, and then I make a slit down the side and I peel off the skin. I think this is something I might have learned watching Rachel Ray when I was like a kid, when I still thought she could cook, way back when, 30-minute meals and all that. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in like a 30-minute meal series. That would be kind of cool. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and slice these up. I'm not going to bore you guys with a complete display of how to cut some onions up. I think that we all can come together on that accord. Dice these onions, guys. All right, so now my onions are diced, and I'm going to move on to my cilantro. I am not a huge cilantro fan, so I do not overpower my guac with cilantro. However, you guys do what makes you happy. So I begin by washing my cilantro, and then I'll start cutting it up. And as you see, I'm then able to easily remove some of the stems that way. So then I'm just going to go ahead and finally chop this up a little more and remove as much of those stems as I possibly can before I go ahead and add this to my guac. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into my bowl as well. Now you see I have in there my onions as well as my cilantro. And next up, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my tomato. Now I'm going to go ahead and chop the top off of my tomato there. And when you're making this, you do not want all those seeds and everything to actually go into your guac, because then it's going to be watery and get real weird real quick. So, do y'all see the little glitter up underneath my nail? That is so cute. I remember those. Real cute. Okay, anyhow, so I'm going to go ahead and cut all of that inside of the tomato area out, because I do not want any of this pulp. So after I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and dice these tomatoes all up. You'll see now that my tomato is hollow, so I'm easily able to do so. And then after that, I've halved my avocados, taken out the pit, and I'm going to begin removing the avocado from the skin and putting that into my bowl as well. So here you'll see I have all my avocado in a bowl, and I'm just going to begin roughly mashing this there with my big spoon. I like my avocado to be sort of chunky, so I do not fully mash mine like to, I don't know, smithereens or paste. Like, it's just not my thing. But of course, as I always tell you guys, you're going to cook to your liking, so you guys will do that just to the way that you like your avocado and your guac. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. No big explanation needed for all that. Keep in mind, guys, you'll see I still have my tomatoes off to the side. You want to add this in as a final ingredient almost, because you do not want this to, again, like I said, become all watery and mushed up in your dish. It's almost like the parsley. Like, tomatoes is like the parsley of guacamole, basically. Like, you just sprinkle it in the end, because we do want it there, but it doesn't need to be present the entire time. You get me. So now I'm going to go ahead and season my guac, which is super crucial to tasty guac. I'm going to start out with some fresh crushed black pepper there that you'll just see me crushing straight in. I'm going to go ahead and add in some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, because we like spice and we like garlic. Of course, you can adjust that spice to your liking. However, I like mine spicier. And then I'm going to go ahead and crush some fresh sea salt in as well. You can use whatever kind of salt it is that you have on hand. And then we're just going to go ahead and give this another mix, because we would like that seasoning to be fully distributed throughout our guac as well. And then once we've gone ahead and got this all mixed up and combined, I am now going to go ahead and finally add those tomatoes, aka our guacamole parsley, to our dish. And I am then going to just give that one final stir. And with this all combined, done. That is the end of our guac recipe. Now, that is the end and finished product of our guac. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments. For me, I will show you guys a picture of what I did with my guac when I was finished. I created these little, I don't know, appetizer, I guess you could call it, or a snack. And it's plantain that I actually fry and make into cup form. And then I put some guac and some salmon on top of that. And guys, it is like a complete favorite. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as me. If you guys want to see a complete recipe for the salmon appetizer that's here in this last shot, just let me know down in the comments and I'll get that recorded for you guys. As always, thank you guys for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys for watching.